Are you searching for the best kitchen chimney in online? There were so many brands and models that you got totally confused. So, I started this channel to explore and share the best options with you. Breathe easy and cook in comfort with our smart kitchen chimney, where powerful suction meets sleek design. Eliminate smoke, odors, and grease effortlessly for a fresher, cleaner kitchen every day. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart reviews, Trustpilot ratings, Quora questions and answers, and even Walmart reviews, everything to help you choose the right one. We're comparing the best kitchen chimney brands, Faber, Elica, Glen and Inalsa to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's begin with chimney size, because the right size ensures proper suction coverage across your stove, making cooking smoke-free and comfortable. All 4 models, Faber, Elica, Glen, and Inalsa, come with a standard 60 cm size, which is ideal for 2 to 4 burner stoves commonly found in Indian kitchens. Now let's look at suction capacity, because more suction power means faster removal of smoke, grease, and odor from your kitchen. Elica tops with 1500 cubic meters per hour, followed by Glen at 1200, Inalsa at 1100, and Faber at 1000 cubic meters per hour. Higher suction is always better for Indian-style cooking with lots of tadka and frying. Moving on to suction type, because strong suction helps with heavy-duty cooking and maintaining a clean kitchen environment. Faber and Inalsa offer standard or normal suction, while Elica and Glen come with high suction power to handle intense cooking conditions. Let's talk venting options, because ducted chimneys offer better smoke removal by channeling fumes outside your home. All 4 models here are ducted chimneys, which is the ideal choice for Indian kitchens that deal with a lot of oily and smoky cooking. Now let's see how it mounts, because proper mounting gives stability, better performance, and saves space. All the chimneys are wall mounted, the most common and convenient type for Indian homes, fitting easily above cooktops. Let's understand the filter, because the right filter keeps your chimney efficient and noise-free over time. Faber uses baffle filter, best for oily cooking, while Elica, Glen, and Inalsa offer filterless designs which need less maintenance and give better airflow. Now we check for Autoclean, because self-cleaning chimneys save you from the messy task of removing greasy buildup. Elica, Glen, and Inalsa offer Autoclean technology, but Faber doesn't. Autoclean makes life easier by reducing cleaning frequency. Let's talk oil collection, because a built-in tray catches oil particles, keeping the inside clean and improving durability. Elica, Glen, and Inalsa come with this feature, while Faber lacks it, meaning more manual cleaning may be required. Cleaning frequency matters, because fewer cleanings mean less hassle and more convenience. Faber needs more frequent manual cleaning, while the others offer low cleaning needs, thanks to auto-clean systems. Now let's talk ease of cleaning, because easy to clean chimneys save time and effort. Elica and Glen are rated very easy to clean, Inalsa is easy, and Faber is average. Noise levels are important, because a quiet chimney gives a peaceful cooking experience. Elica is the quietest at 52 dB, Glen and Faber at 58 dB, and Inalsa is the loudest at 65 decibels. Control matters, because smart and responsive controls improve usability while cooking. Faber and Inalsa use basic push buttons, Elica uses touch plus motion sensor, while Glen goes one step ahead with touch plus gesture controls. Speed settings count, because multiple speeds give you control based on your cooking intensity. All 4 models offer 3 speed levels for flexibility from light to heavy cooking. Let's move to auto start, because automatic operation makes things more convenient, especially during multitasking. Elica and Glen offer this feature, Faber and Inalsa do not. Lighting is important, because a well-lit cooking area improves visibility and safety. All models come with dual LED lights, which is perfect for dark kitchen corners. Now let's see sensors, because temperature detection adds both convenience and safety. Only Elica has a heat sensor, while others miss this smart function. Timer function matters, because auto turn-off prevents overuse and saves energy. Elica, Glen, and Inalsa have timer function. Faber does not. Let's check smart features, because tech-savvy homes need appliances that can match their lifestyle. None of the chimneys support smart connectivity currently, which is something to look forward to in future updates. Remotes add convenience, because operating from a distance is helpful, especially for elderly or mounted chimneys. Elica, Glen, and Inalsa include remote controls. Faber does not. Origin matters, because Indian-made appliances ensure faster service and support local industries. All 4 are proudly made in India. Build quality ensures durability, because strong materials mean long-term use and safety. Elica and Glen are rated excellent, Faber and Inalsa are good. Service support matters, because quick repairs and easy parts can save you stress later. Elica and Glen offer excellent service, Faber is good, Inalsa is average. Price plays a key role, because value for money is always on top. Check the links in description for latest offers. Prices vary with features and warranty. Warranty matters, because longer coverage shows brand confidence in product quality. All have 1-year product warranty. Glen gives 7 years on motor, the highest among all. Lastly, we trust ratings, because user experiences help us decide better. Glen and Elica score 4.4 stars, Faber 4.2, and Inalsa 4.1 out of 5. Lastly, when it comes to price, to check the latest models and current prices, just click the link in the description. We are committed to reviewing only well-rated, reliable products, no cheap or poorly rated items. We avoid recommending low-quality items that don't last. Choose us for honest reviews focused on quality, performance, and value. As we look at the top 4 brands, remember that the items inside the box can be different. Some give only the main product, while others add extra things, so always check the details to know what you are getting with each brand. Your subscription is more than just a click, it's a vote of confidence that motivates us to keep creating valuable videos for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel.